Hey, everyone, ever wondered how to increase your Facebook group engagement? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we're diving into some easy-peasy tips to help you increase your post reach and engagement. Let's get started. Start off by checking out those popular posts from your niche on other Facebook groups and pages. You know, the ones with lots of likes, comments, and shares? Grab them and re-upload them to your group. Share the goodness with your gang. Keep your eyes peeled for the latest trending topics related to your niche. Everyone's buzzing about them, so why not join the fun? Whip up posts that match the buzz. It's like jumping on a happy bandwagon. Wanna know a little secret? People love sharing their thoughts, especially give advice to problems of other people. So create poll type or question type posts. But here's the trick. Play it cool. Share it as a normal group member, not as an admin or moderator of the group. Make it sound like you're genuinely curious about their opinions. Who doesn't love free stuff, right? Launch some cool contests or giveaways in your group. It's like sprinkling a bit of excitement. Plus, more excitement means more people joining in. Think out of the box. You may able to get a lot of group members with free stuff. Be the friendly face in the group. Be active. When someone comments, give them a thumbs up and a sweet reply. And when someone shares a post, drop a friendly comment. It's like making your group a cozy hangout spot. So there you have it. Simple ways to increase Facebook group engagement. Remember, it's all about sharing the good vibes, being part of the action, and creating that warm and welcoming atmosphere. Happy posting. I'm always looking for new topics to cover in my videos. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you know anyone who would enjoy this video, please share it with them. Thanks for your support.